This is a rare car. 928. Woo. Such a horse. 928. Long nose. There goes my car for service. It's pretty old. I heard from the rep that this is a 1978 Porsche 928 original. So the owner is about 70 something and he bought it when it was new. So he was in his 20s and he bought this car and he still kept it. Isn't that crazy? So it's brand new. He bought it brand new and then this car is 47 years old. Can you believe that? 47 years old. Wow. All original. Bought it new. And then he kept it until now. And look at the manual transmission. Spider that I used to have.